Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to make corporate events invitations on Evite. So the first thing you have to do is to log in to your account on Evite. If you do not have one, you can quickly sign up, and then you would see various sections to choose from: the graduation, the baby package, the kids birthday, adults birthday, parties, weddings, business. Um, you can also upload your own card or design, and then greetings can, and also sign up sheets. Since you are looking for the corporate event invitation, you can go to the business section and then just scroll down to you see something that makes sense or is close to what you need. Since you are looking for corporate events, it's we can click on the professional events because it's a synonym. So once it brings us to this page, once you've clicked on it, you get to choose any template that speaks to you. Know that there are free and premium templates to choose from. So to get it easy, just go for the free ones. But if you have more funds to spare, you can always click on the premium ones. So let's assume I want to. Let's assume I like this. I can just, what you have to do here is just to click on it, and a different page should appear where you get to choose if you want it premium or basic. The premium offers animated reviews, effects, and envelopes and more. So you can see, yeah, something like this. This is what the premium offers, while the basic really keeps it basic. So we're going to click on the keep it basic. It takes us to a different page where we can actually edit our um, Evite. So what you have to do is to click on text. We can change the text for an afternoon luncheon hosted by. So we can change this to make it, let me say, by uh, John, and then we can just play around and actually edit each text box to our specification. We can also delete if we do not want that, and we can also rearrange them. So once we are done with that, the next step will be to head on to the event details, where you get to add your title event and set the date. So once you're on this page, just click on the title event title and go ahead to click to uh key in your event. So let's just put it to be John or John's um retirement. So once you're done with that, you can also go and choose the dates, select the dates. Let me say I want it on Wednesday. Set the time and set the meridian time also. Um, so you can put the host if required. You can also add your guest of honor and add your co-host in this section. If you have a co-host or a co-planner, you can do that. And if you want to actually attach a special note, you can also include it here. And address. Next will be the gifting section, where you get, which is an optional section. If you want to actually show or add a gift guide or even a gift registry, you can add it here. But since we don't want that, we can click on next to go to the review page. So in the review page, we can add a guest. Once you just have a look at everything, and then you can finish up by adding your guest and sending your invite to the guests created. Okay, you can also go a step further to create a poll. So this is how to actually create a corporate event or a professional event on Evite. If this video has been helpful to you in any way, let me know in the comment section, and please subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Do have a great day.